Hello, hi, welcome back. In this video lecture, again I explained 8086 assembly language programming. Now I take exercise number 4. The name of the exercise is sum and average of a block using 8086. This is the exercise number 4. First I start with dot model, which is a directory. It is small. Now one more directory for stack is a stack directory. I take the portion of the memory is 100H. Then data segment. Here I declared the number of bytes, that is defined bytes 23H, which is indicating hexadecimal value for H. So 23, 45, 78, 45H, then 78H, then 90H, then 0F, A, H, then 0AE, H, then 22H, then 67H. So totally 8 datas. Okay, so all the data are hexadecimal value. Okay, next one more variable for count. Now in this time I define word, so the length of block is 8, so that's why I take 8. Then for finding sum, which is define word, this is uninitialized. One more question is there, average also define byte, this is uninitialized. Okay, now data segment is complete. Now go to start code segment. Here in code segment begin, first I start with move AX comma at data, which is starting address of the data, then move data segment DS comma AX, next move AX comma 00. So this is in AX register, it take AH and AL register, AH for 8 bit and AL for 8 bit. So totally AX is 16 bit register. For AH take carry counter, AL take cumulative sum. Then move CX comma count. So this is counter for the adding cumulative sums. Okay, next move source index comma 0. So this is the array index starting from 0. After that add AL comma n of si. So first it takes the index value 0, the source index pointed with 0, so from n of s it takes 23. For in AL register at the initial stage it is 0, so 0 plus 23, which is 23 for adding AX register. Okay, that is the meaning of the line. Then suppose if it is produce any carry, so no carry, jump no carry for no add, or it it produces carry to increment AH register. If it is produce no carry means increment source index. Okay, so these three lines executed repeatedly. So I take a label. So here for no add. If it is produce any no carry means for the carry bit does not add. So increment SI. So source index will be incremented. First in the source index is 0. If it is no carry means it is incremented by next source index, that is 1. Okay. Next loop again. After that move the AX register for storing resulting bit in AX register. It is moved on to the variable sum. For finding average, that is count is 8 divided by count means sum divided by count, which is stored in average, that is AH. With AH will take remainder, AL will take quotient. Okay, so move average comma AL. So this is the program. Now the service number for adding move AH comma 4CH, this is the service number. Int 21H for exit DOS command, then end begin. Okay, so end of the code segment. Now go to file save under MASM folder. So our file name is sum and average, so sa.asm, sum and average. Then check all files, then file save. After saving file, go to DOS command. First, to mount the directory, mount c:/masm a086. So our directory is mounted. Now change the directory into c:. Now you compile the program sa sum and average dot asm, put semicolon, there is no errors. Then go to link sum and average dot obj. Now you go to debug. sa.exe. Debug sa.exe. First put T for trace, then G for go, then D for dump. Here you see that 21H, which is the end of the command line, 23, 45, 78, 90, FA, AE, 22, then 67. So these are all the 8 bytes. This is like a block. Then the result is stored in next immediate location, or you go to verify, go to open calculator. Here it takes hexadecimal value. First, what is the value? 23 plus 45 plus 78 plus 90 plus FA plus AE plus 22 plus 67. Now the answer is 3A1. Here you see that 23, 45, 78, 90 FA AE 22, 67. There are 8 bytes, that is length of bytes 08. Next 3A1, so 3 is a carry counter, then A1 is a resulting bit. So this is our answer, 3A1. Okay, so this is for sum and average of a block. Sum this is, then average get divided by 8, 74. So this is the average of a 8 bytes, 74. So 3A1 is a sum of bits, 74 is a average of 8 bits, 8 bytes, sorry. Okay, this is small program for 8086 sum and average of a block. So keep on watching. Thank you, students.